but then they started to realize and they were maliciously doing it.
Yeah,
because I heard them
they were doing it on
loudly,
purpose, I swear.
They were like,
I was just like running in the street. We were making a TikTok. That used to be me back in the day. So I moved into college this morning. Today we're gonna go into town before we go to the beach. Oh my god, that's so bright. Today we're gonna go into town before we go to the beach and like go to the bookstore, which is actually my favorite thing ever. And we're gonna go to Island Gypsy, which like, if you know, you know. Like yesterday I got all this stuff from there and like we still want to get more. So yeah, oh my god. I've been like breaking out so bad. But like I think it's starting to go away. I think we're gonna go mini golfing after the beach today, so I'm so excited.
And I got this book, Behind Closed Doors.
Ooh.
It's like a psychological thriller. Apparently it's very good. So I'm excited. And then we went to Island Gypsy. I got 5 things, but I think I got 5 things yesterday. So. Wait, no, I got 4 things yesterday. But anyways, I always have to leave with a Nikki bikini tank.
Oh my god, that's the one I'm wearing.
I was gonna get the blue one, but I didn't like it as much.
Yeah.
I was gonna get both actually. Then I got these shorts. Same that I got. This is my 3rd pair of these in the week. Then I got this like sweater. And it's like a reddish kind of, which I thought would be good for like shoe. And then I got this dress.
That's so cute.
And then lastly, I just got this bracelet so I can stack with all the other Island Gypsy bracelets.
Okay, so first from the bookstore, I got One of Us Is Next because I just finished One of Us Is Lying. And I have like the first book and the 3rd book. And then I got We Were Liars, which I'm like scared to read it because I don't know if it's like good or bad. Like it makes me
The ghost. It's a bit windy.
Oh, I got this dress because I feel like I don't have any like brunch dresses.
Oh, that's so cute.
I like when they're like fitted but like flowy.
Yeah.
And I got these pants which Shannon's wearing right now actually, but I'm jealous again. I got the same shorts.
Yeah.
They're so cool. And then the same ones in yellow. And the same ones in green.
Damn.
And then I got this like tie, like white top.
Oh, cute.
I'm probably gonna wear like one day when we go to dinner.
Yeah.
And also for like the fur-filled party. And I think that's it.
I got this guy.
Ooh.
Fave color, y'all know. I got the one that you're literally wearing right now.
Oh, I got that one.
Shannon got that too.
We can swim.
Got this for like, you know, rush,
Ooh.
which is not my style, but whatever. I got Twisted Love, because I hear that's very good.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got The Secret History, which I also hear is very good, but I think it's like depressing. So I'm not reading it on Big Hit.
Yeah.
I also got this bookmark.
Aww.
Find his lost ball. Let's go, guys. Ready for this?
Oh yes.
Wait, it's like how you get like a free game.
Wait, really?
No, I think it's just to the end.
We just need to keep going.
Alright, so like sometimes if you hit it in the hole, like people give you like. No.
Oh no, I'm sure. Yeah, that's
Oh.
Where'd you get a water ball from?
Alright, here goes Abby.
go, Abby, go.
She's taking a hit.
The next one counter.
She's going. She's mentally preparing. She swings. And she misses.
Wait, I got yours like close.
No.
No, but in the
Just get
bridge.
hole.
Oh.
Alvin?
I got it in two, but wait, no, put it closer.
Get off the green.
We just played mini golf, and these girls in front of us were so annoying. Like, literally, like every time that they would finish.
Oh my god, I was boiling with rage.
Every time they would finish doing their thing, they would just stand on the green part so that like we couldn't hit, or like we would try to hit the ball and like it would literally
And
hit
at
them.
first they were just so dumb that they didn't realize, but then they started to realize and they were maliciously doing it.
Yeah.
Because I heard them
They were
saying
doing it on
loudly,
purpose, I swear.
They were like, oh yeah, we're just gonna wait because, you know, it would be rude to try to go and stand in the... Okay.
No, but
You know
also they
who's
were
rude,
like,
you?
and then when someone said something, like the people behind us asked them, the people behind us asked them to move, and they're like, no, like we're just here to hang out, like not play mini
No,
golf.
they were like, no, one of them was
sarcastically.
like, are you gonna hit the ball? And then she's like, no, we're gonna wait here, like,
Yeah.
until they go.
Like, what?
But there was ample standing room. Like,
And
they could've stood.
I fear that I may be like a good mini golfer, and I mini golf often.
I fear that Shannon's bad.
So I know the rules of mini golf.
Goodbye.
I won.
And it's common. It's
Abby won by a
common
lot.
courtesy.
I landslide.
It's common. Today was not my night, but it was common courtesy to get off the course. Like
Everyone knows that.
I also golf, so like I know the rules.
Everyone knows that.
Yeah. Whatever.
Even people who don't golf know that.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyone
So
who played mini golf once in their life or is in there in the moment will know that.
and everyone else does it, so they should do it too.
I know exactly, like there's no excuse, like
Like we would hit the ball and they'd be standing on the course.
That used to be me back in the day. Good morning. So today's Wednesday and we're going to play pickleball. Unfortunately today's the last day that Kate's gonna be with us, which is so sad. But my mom's friends are coming down. But I'm really excited. We're gonna go to the beach today, maybe go out to dinner. from the beach and showered, and we're going to this place tonight that's like music on the beach. This is what I'm wearing, and then we're gonna come back and make pizza, and then I think go to the gazebo tonight, which, like, if you've been to LBI, you know that's where like all the teens go at night. I haven't been there since like freshman year, but I don't know if it's like all people that are like younger than me now, but I want to take my friend Shannon to like experience it. I'm currently reading The Summer of Broken Rules, and it's like pretty good so far. I love like the cute like summery beach town type romance books, like especially on the beach. So I don't know. And then I got Shannon to read like a romance book, even though she usually reads like mysteries and stuff like that. So yep. But I'm excited, and we were gonna get ice cream tonight because we've gotten ice cream literally every day this vacation. But I feel like that's the whole point, like you can't go on vacation and not get ice cream, at least for me. But my shirt's from Island Gypsy and my pants are Levi's. We've actually like annihilated Island Gypsy. Like there's one bag of stuff I got, there's another bag there, Shannon. Reading The Summer of Broken Rules, and oh my god, I was actually shocked. Like, I don't want to give spoilers actually, but like the twist, like, at first, like, I don't know, I want to talk about it, but I don't want to give spoilers. But at first I thought like he knew the girl in like a way that they were together, and then I like reread it because I wasn't like reading carefully. I thought like they were saying that they were dating, but no. But I actually love this camera, and like I want to start vlogging more. Like this has been so fun.
We didn't find a hike, but we found a view.
We fully went on a hike, it just wasn't like the thing that it was like a planned hike.
Yeah.
We hiked like for an hour and a half. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late. What you don't understand is I can't think her name. Oh my god. Throw my head on the page. We're trying to find somewhere to eat. We both have to pee really bad. I was like, yeah, but hopefully there's somewhere good. I'm also like searching for influencers because I feel like they all live around this area. Like I just saw like Solid Core and I'm like, Hallie Kate definitely goes there. But we're currently walking to Carrie Bradshaw's apartment from Sex and the City, and yeah, we just got food at this cute place. It was so good, but like my sandwich was like dripping all over the place. Like that was the only issue. Like it like dripped all over my French fries. How would you rate your food, Becca?
I would give it an 8 out of 10.
I feel like if I was like a Sex and the City person, I would be Charlotte.
I would be the blonde one.
Samantha?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking that. I feel like I could be like,
You said you didn't like Samantha.
no, now I like her though. Like at the beginning I was like, oh, she only likes guys. Like she only cares about boys, but like now I feel like she's just like iconic.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm like slightly Miranda sometimes.
Yeah.
And I feel like I tend to be friends with like Carrie type people.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I mean, no one's like an exact like copy of one person, so it's like hard to know. But I feel like I would be Charlotte. I tried to like dress like her. Here's the apartment. I was just like running in the street. We were making a TikTok. The people are probably like, what the fuck is she doing? This is such a cute area though. Like, if I lived in the city, I would want to live there. On our way to Posh Pop. If you know, you know. Yes. First bite of Posh Pop. This is actually so good. What did you get, Becca?
I got cookies and cream cheesecake brownie.
I got the s'mores brownie. I've gotten this before, but it's so good. Your first bite. This little cat is sleeping. I'm allergic, but like. So I moved into college this morning. We're currently packing up my car. I'm kind of sad. I'm really excited. I'm just sad to like leave my dogs and my family. But we're pretty much all packed. I just have like a backpack with like this camera in it. So yeah, I'm so excited. And I feel like I'm nervous for college, but it's like everyone says it goes by so fast, and I know like in 4 years I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I'm starting my senior year.